This is our 8th lecture and we will going to see working of just-in-time compiler. Code written in any high-level programming language is referred as a source code. Before a computer can execute the source code, compilers must rewrite it into machine instructions, also known as object code. This process of compilation can be done explicitly or implicitly. Explicit compilation means it converts the high-level language into object code prior to program execution. The CPU can understand every line in the code before any interaction takes place. Whereas in implicit compilation, it is a two-step process. The first step is converting the source code to intermediate language by a language-specific compiler, and the second step is converting this intermediate language to machine instruction. The main difference with explicit compiler is that only executed fragments of intermediate language code are compiled into machine instructions at runtime. The .NET framework calls this compiler as JIT compiler. This is the structure of JIT compiler. As you know, .NET framework supports different programming languages. Each of these languages has its own specific compiler. The code compiled by this language-specific compiler is then converted into metadata and common intermediate language. This metadata and CLI is passed to JIT compiler. This JIT compiler generates a native code which is then executed by the .NET framework. There are three types of JIT compiler. One is normal JIT compiler, second is Econo JIT compiler, and third is pre-JIT compiler. First we will see normal JIT compiler. In normal JIT compiler, it compiles only those methods that are called runtime. But these methods are compiled first time they are called and then they are stored in a cache memory. When same method is called again, the compiled code from cache memory is used for execution. In Econo JIT compiler, it compiles only those methods that are called only runtime. However, these compiled methods are removed from memory when they are not required. And last is pre-JIT compiler. It compiles complete source code into native code in a compilation cycle. This is implemented by Negan.exe file, that is native image generator. All CIL instructions are compiled to native code before startup. This is done at the time of deployment of the application. Now see advantages of JIT compiler. The JIT compiler requires less memory usage as only the methods that are required at runtime are compiled into machine code by the JIT compiler. Page faults are reduced by using the JIT compiler as the methods required together are most probably in the same memory page. And code optimization based on statistical analysis can be performed by the JIT compiler while the code is running. Next we will see disadvantages of JIT compiler. The JIT compiler requires more startup time while the application is executed initially, and the cache memory is heavily used by the JIT compiler to store the source code methods that are required at runtime.